Hi everyone, my name is Daryl. So today I'm going to talk about replacing the key fob battery in a RAV4. This is for a RAV4 Prime, and I would think that the RAV4 Prime and Hybrid, as well as the RAV4, are relatively the same. But if you're in a situation where your key fob doesn't work at all because you have a bad battery, I do have a video that goes over how to open the door in a RAV4, as well as how to start the RAV4 with a bad battery in your key fob. But let's hope that's not the case, because it does warn you on the dash. And we've got the warning, and now we need to replace the key fob. So let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, so the first thing that we're going to need to do is to get the physical key out of the key fob. And there's this little kind of button right here. And basically you just use your fingers and slide that over in the direction of the arrow. And then you can pull the little key ring out, and that gets the physical key out. Okay, so the next step is we need to open up the key fob. And you'll see kind of where the key was, that little slot right there is where we need to put the key. So we'll put the key right in that little slot that I'm talking about. So one thing to know is that on this side is all these buttons, and if you open it up not carefully, the buttons and everything else will go flying all over the place. So don't do that, because then you're going to have to watch another video on how to get those buttons back in place. So once again, in the slot, and then carefully turn, and you'll see it start to separate. Okay, then with the RAV4 kind of facing up in this direction, you're basically going to pull it out. Okay, so if you notice, nothing can really come out here. So that's why this side is safe to pull out, while keeping this kind of with gravity going this direction. And then you can take this little piece right here, and you can take this little piece out, because this is the stuff that gets all messed up. So we'll put that down, keeping everything in the same orientation. Okay, and now we just need to pull that little battery out. Probably the easiest way to do it is to use this little tab right here, and then get your finger underneath here on this guy, and then just pull it out. Whoops. Okay, all right, so that's out. This is a CR2450 battery, so make sure you, of course, get one of these batteries first. And then you're going to put your brand new battery back in place. And so putting it in is a lot easier than taking it out. So you just put her back in there, and it just snaps right in. Then put this guy right in here, like so. And then you put the top back over the top, and that will just snap right back in place. And then put your key back. So now that we've got a brand new battery, it should work great. So just go out to the vehicle and test it just to make sure. If you did get some value in this video, please like it, and also consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you in the next one again very soon.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year